Croeso i sesiwn fyw Facebook Live wythnosol Busnes at Llanfairpwllgwyngyllgomenau. Heather Jones ydw i, un o'r cynghorydd datblygu busnes. Diolch am gwylio heddiw. Rydym wedi ymuno gan Michelle Webber o North Wales Training i drafod scheme Kickstart heddiw. So welcome to the Busnes at Llanfairpwllgwyngyllgomenau weekly Facebook session. We're joined today by Michelle Webber from North Wales Training to talk about Kickstart. So welcome, Michelle. I don't know if you just want to say hello.
Hi, I'm Michelle, Business Development for North Wales Training for Apprenticeships, and I'll also be your point of contact for the Kickstart scheme.
Great, thanks, Michelle. Some viewers might be wondering what our relationship is with North Wales Training. North Wales Training is part of Group Llanfairpwllgwyngyllgomenau's business-facing branch, and they are the experts in employability programs within Group Llanfairpwllgwyngyllgomenau. We'll be working in partnership with North Wales Training on delivering the Kickstart program. So we'll go straight into it. So Michelle, can you give us a bit more information about what exactly Kickstart is?
Yes, so Kickstart is a fully funded government scheme. Its primary goal is to give a young person work experience and essentially help them to be more employable by the end of their placement.
Great. So who exactly is Kickstart aimed at, Michelle?
The scheme is aimed at 16 to 24-year-olds seeking employment and businesses that have a need to recruit but unsure at these times what they can offer. The placement for each young person will last for 6 months, and it will not only provide them with 25 hours per week paid employment, but in addition to that, there's a Wraparound support employability programme.
Great, so a great opportunity for young people and businesses in North Wales. And we do talk a lot about, you know, unprecedented times, and it is strange time for businesses and people trying to find work in North Wales. So can you tell us a little bit about how North Wales Training even is involved in this scheme?
So we at North Wales Training see the scheme as offering a great opportunity for businesses to bring on new young people without the cost and the risk normally associated with recruitment. And we will be working with employers and young people to provide wider work relevant training to support progression to a sustainable apprenticeship or other role.
Great. So yeah, like we said, a great opportunity for employers and young people. So if employers are interested in getting involved in Kickstart, you know, is there a process? What do they need to do?
Yes, there is a process. So firstly, any business, large or small, can be involved in the Kickstart scheme. If you would like to take on placements and have under 30 positions available in your business, North Wales Training will act as your intermediary. You can contact either myself or Heather, or go to our North Wales Training Facebook page to express your interest. We will then give you a call, have a discussion around the types of placements your businesses require, and discuss the wraparound employability which we deliver. We can then complete your application form, which we will send to DWP for approval. And we have been advised approval can take up to 1 month, but once approved, the job centres will then be referred to the relevant job centres. The job placements will be then referred to the relevant job centres, and the candidates will be appointed to you. So just to be clear, for anyone that wants to get involved, to qualify and be approved for these placements, the job placements do have to be a new role in the business and will not affect any existing employees to lose or reduce their hours. Also, the young person that is successful with a Kickstart placement in your business has to be appointed by the job centre work coach.
Great, so quite a eligibility and process that needs to be followed for these opportunities. So like Michelle says, if you are interested in getting involved in Kickstart, if you're a client of Busnes at Llanfairpwllgwyngyllgomenau, you can contact us on our Facebook Live, Facebook page even, direct messages, or you can comment on our comment section and we can get in touch. We are streaming this on North Wales Training Facebook page as well, so clients can contact Michelle via there. We do have our generic email address, which is Busnes Cymraeg, BUSNES, at glm.ac.uk, or the Kickstart Northwest Training email is kickstart@nwtraining.co.uk. So, you could always just get in touch and have a conversation with us, just to find out a little bit more. But Michelle, you mentioned the wraparound support with Kickstart. Can you give us a bit more information about what exactly that looks like? What's involved with that?
Yeah, so the wraparound scheme for the individual will be delivered by a combination of virtual and face-to-face learning over the 6-month period. And it will include a variety of training from CV writing to communication skills, numeracy, literacy. For the business, they can decide on if the training will take place on a weekly, fortnightly or monthly basis. And they can provide feedback to North Wales Training so we can identify and support on individual needs. Combining both will ensure the young person will succeed following this role.
Brilliant. So working with the employer, to provide great skills. So, those key skills, transferable skills for future employment, which is, what we would be looking at, with this scheme. So what would be the commitments for employers after the 6 months?
There is no commitment after the 6 months for the employer to take on the Kickstart placement. However, they can if they wish to do so. A lot of employers I've spoken with have suggested they would be willing to consider a placement, a permanent position following the scheme if all went well and their circumstances could accommodate it.
Brilliant, great. So again, all round great support and opportunities for individuals, young people of North Wales and employers in North Wales. This is a relatively new scheme. How's it going so far, Michelle? Is it proving popular with the business community?
Yes, it's been popular. So since we launched in recent weeks, we've spoken to a variety of employers, each with different reasons and positions to fill. We've got employers that are looking to grow their business over the next 6 to 12 months and really need some support with admin roles. And we've had interest from retail, catering and health and fitness opportunities.
Brilliant. So quite a variety there.
But we are happy to discuss any queries or questions that anyone has. So if there's anyone, they just want to talk about it to see whether they can get involved, please contact kickstart@northwalestraining.co.uk and we can give you a call.
Great, fantastic. Yes, so for that, no commitment conversation to find out a little bit more, do get in touch with us. Like I said, if you're a Business Act client, you can contact us via your business development advisor or via our social media, and again our email address, which I'll give at the end. So great opportunities for businesses, and fully funded scheme, providing work experience for young people in North Wales aged between 16 and 24, and funded 25 hours per week work experience. So that is the Kickstart programme. And again, do get in contact if you would like more information. I'm just sort of looking at my colleagues to see if we've had any questions come in, but it doesn't look like it today. So I think, Michelle, we've actually been let off the hook. But if anybody's watching this, as not as a live record, do get in touch and we can answer queries that way. Fantastic, great.
Lovely. Thank you.
Thanks very much, Michelle, for joining us. We'll be looking at doing an update soon, but join us next week for our weekly Facebook Live. Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you.